Everybody from YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Bluetooth speakers from the JBL brand that has, in this case, the JBL Connect Plus version, so you can connect up to 100 speakers. So check it out. So as you can see, in this case I have the JBL Charge 3 playing some non-copyright music, of course, from YouTube. Now in this case, on my right, I have the JBL Flip 4. So all you have to do is obviously to turn it on. Now it's turned on, and all you have to do is to press the JBL Connect Plus in the JBL Flip 4, in this case, that is available for the Connect Plus version, and the JBL Charge 3 Connect button. So now you press it, and in both speakers you will be playing the same song, as you can see. So one fact that I have to include in this video is that, for example, this JBL Charge 3 is connected to my iPad, however the JBL Flip 4 is not. So the Connect Plus is an incredible option in case that you have you need to connect, or you want to connect a lot of speakers, and you don't need to connect it to the principal device that is the iPad I'm using in this video. So it's all connected to the main one, in this case the JBL Charge 3. So if I add a third speaker, Flip 5 for example, or another Flip 4, Charge 3, all you have to do is to press the JBL Connect button, and it will be all playing the same song. So that's it, folks. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. So check her out, and until the next one.